So check this out. I posted a video that on how I found this SJ Tech thing, and yeah, there you go, SJ Tech. I found it at the Lead Innovate Summit last week. Um, I already posted a review on an article they had on Amazon versus Walmart in their supply chains. It's not the conventional Amazon versus Walmart three-piece sellers like probably a lot of us are used to. New Tech, New Laws is the name of this article. I was thinking about giving a talk on this at one of the conferences that I'm going to be at on how you have to keep track of different regulations and political climates. This in particular is something that was new to me, and I figured why not share it with you guys. I picked this thing up. I read 2 articles. That was really all that interested me. Yeah, I'll link to this down below. It looks like you have to pay for it, but I'm going to read out to you some things that just stuck out to me. At least you have to pay for the digital version. I just took this one home. This goes into how there's AI regulations throughout the EU. A lot of you may realize that whenever you upload AI generated content, there's either a banner saying AI generated or a checkbox that asks you, was this generated or any component of this generated using AI? That's most probably because in Europe, at the very least, it needs to be disclosed that AI was used to produce something that you're seeing on a screen. Who the onus falls on, we don't know. Does it fall on Amazon, YouTube, Spotify? Or does it fall on you, the creator, or brand owner, or seller? That argument reminds me a lot of the sales tax kind of thing, where people said, is it on the seller? Is it on the marketplace? The same sort of mentality is applying here. There's the EU AI Act, and it goes into the GDPR, how these two things are now legislation in Europe. Well, they'll likely find their way to the rest of the Western world. And it also goes into, do you think that these regulations are hampering innovation? Personally, I don't. What I do think would hamper innovation is if, let's say, YouTube content or product packaging or even PDP copy, if that gets penalized because it's AI generated. Obviously, search engines like Google prioritize human content instead of AI generated content. But if, let's say, Amazon takes a penalty on your rankings for AI generation, either in imagery or text or even video, that's where it can hamper innovation, because AI is here to stay. AI is here to help us. If you're going to start penalizing us for using it, that's where it'll hamper innovation. That's my take. That's my insight. Pretty good publication, SJ Tech. Check them out. They have some free articles. And like I said, I'll link to it below. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought.